Hello everyone, this is Disha and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell you a very important reason behind my 360 out of 360 in bio, and that is my NCERT book. I am going to show you my NCERT book in a very brief way and the way I read it. So let's come. So this is my NCERT book. You can see the first chapter, The Living World. During my first reading, I used to underline and mark all the important words and important lines. And during the second reading, I used to write important points in the empty spaces. You can see I have written many points in the corners, in the empty spaces, here also. And I have highlighted all the important words. I have written the important scientist names. Anything which I found important, I wrote in the empty space. And any extra word, extra important points that I found from other sources also I wrote here. So when I used to revise, I used to get everything in one place only. You can also do like this. So when you will revise, you will not get messed up and you can find everything important in one place only. Like you can see in the second chapter, there is a very important table. I have highlighted the important words of the table. For some chapters, I used to paste some pages in my book and write everything here. All the important points, short points, important words, I used to write here in these pages because the space was not enough. And here also I have pasted some pages and written everything here. This is a very good method for revision. And whenever I used to open my NCERT book, I got everything together in one place. You can see I have highlighted the diagrams. I have written important words here. You can see this chapter, mineral nutrition. Here you have many things to remember. So you can always utilize the empty spaces. You can highlight the diagrams. Now let's see the last chapter. This is also a very lengthy chapter, and I used to first highlight all the important text. Then every important information or extra information that I found, I used to write it here. You can also follow this method and fill your NCERT with important points. NCERT is very important. You will have to read it 5 or 6 times before your exam, and each time you open it, you will find all the important points written in one book only. Thank you.